What are the top 5 online brokers?
Hi guys, Market Master here today, and in the next few minutes we're going to be looking at the top 5 demo online brokers. These brokers allow you to undergo the process of buying and selling stocks without the risk of losing any of your hard-earned money. This is a great way to practice your game at the stock market. So, at number 5 we have XTB. Here is their website. This is my demo account, and it's quite simple. You got the main display of the chart at the front. You got other things you can add up here, so you can add Vodafone, pretty much any stock you would like. So let's go and add Vodafone right here. Simple to add Vodafone. Okay, Vodafone's up there. You can, of course, you can go out and in. You can see previous stock. You can see Vodafone had a massive rise in July the 22nd, just before. So from here you can see, you know what, I want to buy, I want to sell, I want to buy. So the way you can buy or sell, all you need to do, choose how many stocks you want, 200, 100, type it in there, whatever. So let's say you do 100, press buy, and here you see down here Expedia was bought, lots 100, open price, and then it says your profit or your loss there. At the moment I'm making a loss because I just did it to show you. So up here you can see stocks, and you can see your open price. Zoom in a bit, you can see where the stock is in if you go across, and it's quite simple. The reason why this online stock broker is not any higher is I just don't think it's a well finish off. It's a little bit hard to work. It's still works. You can see close winners, close losers. If I want to close it, simple, just go down, close that, closed, and it shows down your balance down here. It's quite simple to use. Could be better, I say. It's not really that well finished off, but it's done well to make it onto a list. And yeah, so that was XTB. So at number 4 we have IG. So as you can see, I have made a profit of 1,260, and that's because I find this quite nice to work with. So it's quite easy to find a stock, so we'll use Expedia again as an example. So you can find Expedia. Here's Expedia. So it'll give us the choice to buy, sell. So if we wanted to buy, we can buy and see how much amount we want to put in. We want to put 100, we can buy 100, and in what currency as well. And there you go, buy, sell, buy, sell. I don't want to buy it right now because I want to keep this account in a good profit, but see, as it's very easy to buy and sell. And you can also do the stop when it's at a loss and stop when it's at a profit. So it's quite easy to close an open position as well. Let's say I want to close gold. All you got to do to close is press this or close, sell, confirmed, 100% close. To look at the chart, also quite easy. You just drop down and you press chart, and up pops the chart. Here we go. So you can go back right down to 1996, and then you can see how much it's gone up or down, and then making your decision to do with that. So that was IG. I hope to make more money with this as well. It's quite nice to use. You can close this one, and yeah, but it's only 4, and that's also for the same reason that I just think it could do a little bit better with the graphics, and it looks a little bit hard to use and can confuse you if you're starting off at the stock market. So at number 3 we have markets.com, and straight away you can see the graphics so much better. It looks so much more sleek and just so much more easier to use. So down here at your left you have your equity, your balance, and because they're both the same because I don't have anything open at the moment. So right now we are gonna go and search up Apple this time just to see some different stocks. So here we go, add Apple, and it brings up Apple's little chart here, which is really good. So you can zoom back a little bit. As you can see, they recently have a report and it's gone well for them, so you can see how it's rised up and then dipped a little bit at the end. So that's simple to get Apple up. You can buy and sell down here. So let's say we wanted to sell some Apple. I just don't think it's going to do very well. We can add some shares, type in your shares here, how much you want. I'm going to do 490. So that's quite simple to use. So we can send that order and we'll just wait for it to load, and we sold it. So here we are. So that opens positions. We can see we've made a grand total of minus £44.60. Okay, it's good. It's not good. So I think it's quite I love using this. We can easily close this, close how much we want. I closed it all just there. So that's closed. We've made a loss. You can see even more of a loss. There's no way to change how much you have in the balance. So you can't give yourself a harder challenge and start with 100. That's annoying. But overall, there's not much to say about this. It's just nice and easy to use. Doesn't have all the features. It could be easier, I guess, and doesn't have all the stocks. Like, can't find Expedia in this. It's just not coming up. So yeah, so we'll go on to our next one, number 2, and this was Markets.com. So at number 2 we have Trading212. This platform is also very easy to use with stocks. Down here, all your stocks, and just buying them just with one simple click. So let's buy Apple. Buy any down here. Let's buy 100 of Apple. 100 bought. Simple. Down here shows your profit or your loss. You can cancel the stock with the profit or cancel the stock with a loss. You can just go down, up, choose what you want. Simple like that. To close it, very simple. Just press this button. OK, closed. You can add stocks through here, search them up and add them. So let's do Vodafone. Closed at the moment, but there, Vodafone is added. Or you can add them up here, this button, or you can easily drag it in, place it down and look at the stock, go through the timeline, look backwards, change the time you want and zoom out. The main reason this platform is higher than the other few that we've done is this feature down here. So as you can see, we got our equity and our balance down here, but what we can do, we can edit it by going to account, and we can change how much we want in it, from 10,000 to 100 of any currency you would like that are in this list. So you just reset the account here. As you can see, when it loads down here, we have the equity of £100 instead of 967 or whatever we had. This is great if you would like to give yourself a harder challenge or an easier challenge to improve your skills at playing the stock market. So let's go on to number 1. So at number 1 we have Plus 500. The reason why I love this platform is it's so simple. As you can see down here, this is what you will come to when you first create your account. You'll be able to zoom back right down into your time period of a week, up to a week, and then you could go back a few years until 2009 is the earliest you can go to. Buying stocks is also very easy. So let's say you want to buy some Apple. So when you search an Apple, it will come up here. And what you can choose is to short or buy. Short is basically sell. I'm going to short for once. Press short. On the right, this will pop out, and you can say how many shares you would like to do. So to make it an even number, we're going to do 450. You can also close at a profit and close at a loss, but we're not going to do that for this demonstration. So as you short, you can go to your open positions. So there it pops up. Close is also very easy. Just press close and close the amount of shares you would like to close. You can also type in, so let's say we want to close 10 shares. Now we have closed 10 shares. Up at the top it shows you available, the equity and your margin and your profit loss at the moment box. You can also put orders in into closed stocks. So Vodafone, which is closed at the moment, we can still buy and we can set that. So we just ordered Vodafone, which is closed, as you can see, and over at your orders section you can see there you put in that order and it will execute that order when it opens. Sadly with this you cannot change your balance, which is one thing that really put it against Trading212, but yeah, I find this so simple to use. Thank you guys for watching. If you've enjoyed or this has been at all helpful, please do hit that like button, I would really appreciate it. Also, please do subscribe to stay tuned with all my latest videos on how to raise your game in the stock market. And also feel free to check out all these online softwares down below in the comment section, where I'll leave you a link to go and check them out. Thanks for watching guys, and goodbye.